Yeah. So Prince, please turn on your camera.
रखा हुआ है।
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I welcome you to your first session of Fluentia Language School. Let me share screen with you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This is your first session, introducing yourself professionally. So this is the most basic one as well as the first thing that we are going to cover today. So I don't, I took your demo, I guess, right? Prince, I took your demo.
Yeah.
What, in which field you are? I forgot, I'm sorry.
Actually, I'm BPO sector,
So your voice
and
is
I'm
breaking.
looking to. Okay.
Yeah, Prince, can you repeat again? I don't know if it is my connection or yours. Let me see because your voice is breaking.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me check it.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah. Now, can you try
Yeah.
saying something?
Now
Let
is
me
it
see if
clear?
it's better or not. Yeah, yeah, it's better. Okay. So as I was asking you, Prince, can you tell me what job, like in which field you are and what is the job role that you are looking for?
Uh, I was working in BPO sector as a customer support executive role, and I was looking to upgrade myself into international process. Okay.
Okay, okay. All right. I
Yeah.
understood. Fine. Okay. So, let's start with a quick activity first, Prince, and then we will see how to give a proper introduction. Now, this is called an
Okay.
elevator speech. Have you heard about elevator speech?
No, I didn't.
Okay. So elevator, imagine this that you are in a lift, okay, and uh,
Okay.
on that lift there is a famous CEO. Okay, he's the famous CEO of a famous company, and he asks you suddenly, tell me about yourself. And like in 30 seconds, the lift is going to stop and he's going to get out of the lift, right? So in 30
Okay.
seconds, how will you introduce yourself? Imagine he is like he is CEO, so your introduction is very it should be very simple, precise, and also detailed. Prince, you are stuck, I can't really hear you.
Audible to me. Is my voice is clear to you?
No, your voice is like breaking.
Okay.
I think because of network.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so can you like introduce yourself in only 30 seconds?
Yeah. So my name is Prince Raj, and I am from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. And currently, I'm working as a customer support executive at Flipkart. And my jobs and responsibilities are to resolve the queries of customer over chat and call. And I have more than 1 year of work experience as a customer support executive. My hobbies are to listen to music and
Yeah.
read book.
Okay, because it is only for 30 seconds. Okay, so 30 seconds is up. Okay, so now when
Okay.
I told you, Prince, like you have to introduce yourself in only 30 seconds, what are the things that you thought is important for you? Ki you have to say this anyhow in your introduction. What were those things?
Uh, first my name
Mm-hmm.
and the place where I used to belong,
Mm-hmm. That's actually
and
not that's actually not important, honestly. If it's 30
okay.
seconds, you can like cut it off. Okay, it's not
So
that
like
important.
my job role, what I am doing currently.
Correct.
Yeah, and
And like what is your yes, yes, continue, go ahead.
my hobbies.
Yeah, that's also again not important.
Okay,
Right?
and what's my
Yeah.
future plan where I
Hmm.
want to see myself in the coming years?
Hmm. Correct, correct. Okay. So let's decode in today's session how to give an introduction which does not sound like it is useless, in the sense extra details are given. How to give an introduction which is to point and strong, that it makes an impression. Okay. So our today's
Okay,
session is all about introducing yourself in different context. In different context. Okay.
okay.
So what can this different context be? What can this different situation be? You need to introduce first of all yourself in a, what is this?
Uh, you need to introduce yourself at job interviews,
Yeah, first
network,
thing.
yeah,
Yeah,
networking
networking
events,
event, then
meetings, professional emails, etc.
as well. Correct. So we are going to cover all of this. Professional emails we are not going to cover today because email is a different class altogether. Okay.
Yeah,
So job interview, what is a networking event? Have you attended one?
uh, networking event like any uh, any kind of function of a company, you can say.
Yeah, it mostly happens in a company. It can also happen in cross companies as well, where people from different teams are there. From
Yeah,
same industry as well, can be from different industry as well. So in that case, you need to introduce yourself. You have a business card maybe, or then maybe you go and introduce yourself, introducing your business or
yeah,
introducing what is your job role. So networking event, meetings, we all attend meetings as well, right? So
yeah,
sometimes in meetings also you need to give your introduction, but need not be as lengthy as an interview, isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah, okay. So your introduction needs to be, first of all, what is this?
A professional introduction should be clear, concise, and confident.
Correct. So all the information that you need, you should be clear about it. And it should be
Okay,
concise in the sense no extra details. Something that is not
okay,
needed, don't put it there. Don't stretch
okay,
it
okay.
for 1 minute, and be confident. So we will
Yeah,
focus on confidence from day one, Prince. Okay. So
yeah.
confidence is also one of our key factor that we are trying to improve. Okay. So now let's see. Yeah. So how to introduce yourself? This is a framework. If you want, you can take a screenshot for this as well and maybe write it down later in your notes. If you make one, you should make notes.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Yeah, correct. Okay. So if you have taken a screenshot for this, let me just break it down a bit simpler for you. Okay,
Okay,
so it says first of all, greetings and name. So this is very important. Okay, your maybe for example you are meeting them in the morning, so good morning, hello, and your name. This is something which is common. Then current role
yeah,
and background and key skills experience, you can consider this both as to be your present. Okay, every detail which is in the present moment, for example, where you are working right now,
okay,
where have you studied, what are the experience that you hold in your industry. For example, you said that you have more than 1 year of experience. Some people have like 17 years of experience in sales. So your
Yeah.
experience and your skills. Next is your future. Okay, so this experience comes in past. So I'll just write it down here as past. And then what are your career goals and what is the purpose of maybe joining the company that you are applying the interview for? Right? So, what is your career goal and what is the purpose of giving this interview? So, next is future. And last is closing statement. Closing statement is maybe I'm looking forward to grow in this career. Okay, I'm looking forward to grab more opportunities in this career. I'm going to give you closing statement. So, in summary, first of all, you need your greetings and name, then your
Okay.
present work, then your
Okay.
past experiences. Where have you worked? What did you learn? What skills you developed? And then what is your goal for the future? Okay,
Okay.
and then a closing statement. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's see. First, let's see for greetings and name. Now, every time you introduce yourself, Prince, in a professional setting, remember that you need to be polite. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
always use polite phrases. So let's say you can start with hello. Can you fill this up? First one.
Yeah.
Yeah, read it out.
Begin with a polite greeting
No,
and
no,
introduce
no,
yourself.
not that. This one,
Okay.
phrases.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Prince Raj.
Very good. Okay. Also focus on your intonation, confidence, and how you're presenting. For example, if I say, hello, my name is Prince Raj,
Yeah.
right? So don't say it in monotone. We are also improving our pronunciation. Say, hello, my name is Prince Raj. Be confident.
Hello. Hello, my name is Prince Raj.
Very good. You can also use hi, but this is a bit informal. So maybe you can use it for networking event. Okay,
Yeah.
remember you can use it for networking events.
Networking event. Yeah.
Yeah.
I am
And then
Prince Raj.
hi. Yes, hi, I'm Prince Raj. Next,
Yeah.
if you are introducing yourself in a meeting, let's say, or if you have gone to a job interview, it's very important you greet them. You can greet them by saying good morning or good afternoon whenever you attend, right? Good afternoon,
Okay.
I'm Prince Raj. Can
Okay.
you say that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, this is the first one where you have to introduce yourself and give your name. Okay, remember this.
Okay.
If you want, again, you can take a screenshot. All of the things that we learn here, if you want a screenshot, you can take it.
Yeah. Done.
Done. Okay. What was the next thing after we have grit? What is the next step after
I have to
greetings?
see.
Yeah, the next step is where you are working right now.
Current role
Okay.
and background.
Current role and background.
Background.
So, for your current role and background, what should you first of all talk about? You should talk about your current job title. Okay, for example, what is your current job title?
Like I am working as a customer support executive at Flipkart.
Correct. So, customer executive, customer support executive, that is your current job title. Now, let's say that you haven't actually done a job. So, you can talk about your field of study in which you studied. Okay, now you're a fresher and you're applying for your first job. Then you can say, what is your field of study? And your professional background if you have done enough job. Okay, so let's say the first one, I'm currently working as a dash at company. Can you fill this up?
Yeah. So currently I'm working as a customer support executive at Flipkart.
Yeah, tell me about your year of experience. Fill the second one.
I have more than 1 year of experience.
Yeah, or you can say, I've been working in this industry for more than 1 year. Okay, now say
Yeah.
both of this together. Also add your name. Okay, and say it together. So your name
I'm
and
yeah.
Hmm.
Hi, hello. My name is Prince Raj. I am currently working as a customer support executive at Flipkart.
Hmm.
I have been working in BPO industries for more than 1 years.
Correct. Okay. And sometimes if you want to talk about your education, you can also
Yeah,
talk about this, right? But most of the
yeah.
time, because you have started working, you don't need it. Okay, you don't
Okay,
need it for now because they are seeing your
okay,
current job role. Okay.
okay, okay.
So after this, the next thing is very important. That is your key skills and experience. Okay, so let's say you work as a customer support executive. So here you need to talk about some relevant skills or experience which will make you stand out. Okay, it will make you stand out means it will make you a unique candidate or something that only you can bring to the table, right? So
Okay.
think about few experiences and few skills which is related to customer support executive.
So the main skills is to resolving the customer queries
Okay, that is
efficiently.
first. Okay,
Yeah, and
think about two or three skills. Okay.
we have to listen to the customer, like and if customer is too rushing on call, or
Hmm.
maybe so we just have to we just have to listen to the customer politely, like we are resolving the queries of customer. So first we have to listen to the customer, and
Patient. You can say patient.
yeah, and
And
the third one is to uh, we are promising to the customer in behalf of the company, like we will resolve the queries in the given time, so
oh,
we just have to speak confidently about this.
good customer handling.
Yeah, good customer handling.
Okay. So your three skills are resolving customer queries quickly, first. Second is you are patient. And third is you have good customer handling. Okay.
Yeah,
Remember this thing. So can you put this in this one? My expertise includes,
yeah.
yeah, fill this up. See here, this one.
So I specialize in
No, no, not that. Third one.
yeah, third one. My expertise includes uh,
First one.
resolving customer queries,
Very good. Second one.
to listen to the customer politely,
Yeah, very good. Patiently,
and
not politely. Okay,
yeah,
we listen to
sorry,
the customer patient. And
we
third
have to
one.
listen to the customer patiently,
Hmm.
and the third one is customer handling,
Yeah, good customer handling.
good
Okay.
customer handling.
Yeah. So again, can we go from the first greeting, then your present work, and then key skills and experience? Say it together, Prince, confidently.
Yeah,
Hmm. Say it from the beginning.
from the start, like I have to
Hmm.
introduce myself.
Hmm.
Hello.
Good afternoon, and from there, yeah.
Yeah, hello, good evening. My name is
Mhm.
Prince Raj, and I am from Bokaro Steel City. Sorry, I have to skip this line now.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, if you want to, you can include that. It's fine, not a big issue.
Hello, I am
Hmm.
Prince Raj,
Hmm.
and I work as a customer support executive at Flipkart.
Hmm.
My responsibilities are to resolve the queries of customer.
Hmm.
My expertise includes resolving customer queries
Hmm.
patiently,
Hmm.
and listen to the customer, and good customer handling.
Okay. You are just messing up with the sentence structure a bit. You can say, my
Yeah,
expertise include resolving customer queries quickly. Okay. And then
Okay.
here, patient, you can say being patient.
Being patient. Okay.
Yeah. And third one is good customer handling. Okay, so if I
Yeah.
have to say it on your behalf, it will be my expertise include resolving customer queries quickly, being patient, and good customer handling.
Okay.
Okay, could you try that again, Prince?
Yeah. Hello.
Hmm.
My name is Prince Raj.
Hmm.
Uh, I am working at Flipkart as a customer support executive. My
Hmm.
expertise include resolving customer queries,
Hmm.
uh, listen to customer patiently,
Hmm.
good good sorry, I forgot the third one.
Good
Uh,
customer handling.
good customer handling. Yeah.
Correct. And good customer handling. Very good. So this is about past. Now, what is the next step?
Yeah, we have to talk something about current, present.
This, yeah, present was the one where you talked about you're working in Flipkart. Present, past, and then future. So next step is
Okay.
what are your career goal? Okay, what
Yeah,
is
what?
your purpose? Right? So in this
Yeah.
case, you have to talk about explain why you are in the conversation when you are in an interview, in a networking event. That when you are talking with this person, what is the thing that you want to try to achieve? Right? So explain why you are in the conversation. What is the purpose? What is the goal of yours in the future? Right? So if you're giving an interview, so it is for a job role, right? So
Yeah.
what is
Yeah.
your goal? You want to explore that field more, or maybe you want to get to more higher position, right? So what is your
Yeah.
career goal? That is important. Okay, so I'm just going to help you with few phrases. For example, I'm looking for opportunities in, now you are looking in international BPOs, right? So I'm
Yeah.
looking
Yeah.
for opportunities in international BPOs. That can be your career goal. Okay, I'm eager to expand my knowledge in. Now, this is something which can be effective for other field, not for you. So you can't use this one. I
Which
hope to
one?
connect second one.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
don't use that. Then I hope to connect with professionals who share my interest. This is very useful when you are in networking event.
Okay.
Okay. And then last one, I'm excited to explore new challenges in industry. So let's say like you are in an industry for a long time and then you want to try something new. So that is when you can use the fourth one. For you, first one is the best. I'm looking for opportunities in international BPOs.
BPU. Yeah.
Can you read this example once, Prince?
I'm currently looking for opportunities in software development and hope to connect with like-minded professionals.
Yeah, so here look at how we combine the first one and the third one. So goals can
Yeah.
also not be one, can be many things. So for example, when you are applying for a, let's say you are in a networking event, right? And
Yeah.
then the networking event, when you are having a conversation, you are saying that currently I am looking for opportunities in international BPO, and I'm excited to explore new people, or I hope to connect with new people who share who are in the same field, right? So
Yeah.
you want to connect with more people who are in international BPOs. Okay, so
Yeah.
yeah, you can use the first one for this one, or maybe take a screenshot for this, because this is helpful in a lot of different scenarios.
Yeah. I
But
have
use
done
the
the
first one today.
screenshot.
Okay, but use the first one today. Okay, I'm looking
Okay.
for opportunities.
I'm looking for opportunities in international BPO.
Very good.
Yeah. I hope to connect with professionals who share my interest in international BPOs.
Yeah, that is also fine, but will not work in interview. If you are in an interview, don't write that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I mean, don't say that. And the last one is a closing statement. Okay, so A closing statement should always end with a positive note, first of all. And if applicable, invitation to continue the conversation in a networking event most of the time. Okay, so a closing statement, for example, I'm eager to expand my knowledge in international BPO. So, expand my knowledge will not maybe work here. I hope to connect with professionals who share my interest. I am looking for opportunities in industry or role. So, it's kind of like same to the previous one only. Okay, so instead of
Okay.
repeating, you can like skip this part because here also you are saying the same thing. I'm looking for opportunities in international BPO, right?
Okay.
Okay, so can you just say your
Yeah.
introduction once to me, Prince, from the beginning? Okay, short, precise, clear.
Okay. So, hello, my name is Prince Raj,
Hmm.
and I am currently working as a customer support executive at Flipkart.
Hmm.
My jobs and responsibilities are to resolve the queries of customers.
When you're talking about you're working in Flipkart, you can talk for how many years also, Prince? For how many years have you
Okay.
been working there?
Okay. Hello, my name is Prince Raj.
Hmm.
I am working as a customer support executive at Flipkart.
Hmm.
I had more than 1 year of experience as a customer support executive,
Hmm.
and my jobs and responsibilities are to resolve the queries of customers
Hmm.
and uh,
What else was your responsibilities
to
or
listen to
skills?
to
Yeah.
listen to the customer, uh, to resolve the queries of customers
Hmm.
and listen to the customer politely
Hmm.
and
Patiently.
patiently, yeah,
Hmm.
to listen to the customer patiently and
Hmm.
good customer handling.
Yeah, and good customer handling. You need a bit of a practice there. And last one is,
Yeah, I'm looking for opportunities in international BPO.
yeah, very good. Okay, I'm
Yeah,
looking for
that's all.
opportunities in international BPOs. If you want, you can connect this also and hope to connect with professionals who share the same background. Instead of saying interest, you can say background.
Yeah, I hope to connect with professional who have same background, right?
Who have
Yeah.
same background. So this gives a proper finishing and then a proper closing. Okay. So
Okay.
Mr. I'm going to ask you your introduction again. So make sure that you're confident in your introduction now. All right. Okay. Let's move to the
Okay.
next part.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's just look at few examples of how a strong introduction will look like. So I want you, Prince, to read this as confidently and with correct pronunciation and intonation. Don't read it in monotone, loudly. So this is a
Okay.
job interview introduction.
Yeah. Good morning. My name is Rohan. Sorry. Good morning. My name is Rohan Patel. I
Hmm.
am a data analyst with 3 years of experience in financial services.
Hmm.
I specialize in data visualization, productive analytics, and process automation.
Hmm.
Currently, I work at ABC Finance, where I help optimize decision making through data driven insights.
Hmm.
I am I am passionate
Passionate.
about yeah, I am passionate about leveraging data to improve efficiency, and I am now looking for opportunity to apply my skills in a more dynamic environment like yours.
Yeah. Okay. So, see how it started with the introduction, first of all. Greetings. Good morning. My name is Rohan Patel. Then he gives a brief about who he is, his current job role, and how many years of experience he brings. Right. So, for you, it can be I am a customer support executive with 1 year
Yeah,
of experience. I specialize and currently working in Flipkart. Then I
yeah,
specialize in. So, I specialize in is your skills, the skills that you are bringing. And at the
yeah,
end, it talked about how he is looking for opportunity. So the same kind of uh, interview that you are going to give as well. Okay, let's look at more introduction. Now, this is for a networking event. Okay, so for
Okay.
networking event, I'm going to read it out. Okay,
Yeah.
listen carefully for the introduction, for the intonation. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
it says,
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Aisha Khan. I'm a software engineer specializing in AI and machine learning. I've been working at Tech Next for the past 5 years, where I develop AI driven chatbots for customer service automation. I'm really passionate about AI's potential in improving business efficiency. I'm here today to meet like minded professionals and explore new innovations in this field. So, what difference did you see, Prince, here? That how networking event introduction is a bit different from job interview?
Yeah.
How is it different? See
Like,
how it started with hi,
yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
if you are in an interview, you always have to start with good morning, good afternoon, or you can say
Yeah.
hello, right? You cannot say hi because it is informal. And again, other
Okay.
things is going to be same. I'm a software engineer. That means present. I've been working
Yeah.
at Tech Next for the past 5 years, which is past. And then I'm
Okay.
really passionate about AI. So it's talking about future, that what she wants to do in the future.
Okay.
Okay. So remember at
Yeah.
the end, Prince, we are going to do activities where you have to introduce yourself in different context. Okay. So make
Okay.
sure that you are also learning how to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Next is business meeting introduction. Let's see how to introduce in business meeting. Prince, read it out again.
Hello. I am David Collins, Senior Marketing Consultant at Brand Boost. I help companies develop data driven marketing strategies to increase their brand visibility. Over the past 8 years, I have worked with business in retail, healthcare, and tech. I am excited to learn more about your company's goal and see how we can collaborate with driven result.
To drive results. Okay.
Yeah,
So what is a
drive results.
yeah, so when is a
Sorry.
business meeting happens? What is a business meeting?
Uh, Usually the companies of like the the people which have high level posts, they did the business meeting
Correct, correct.
to
So
discuss some
maybe
importance.
business policies and then
Yeah,
implementation, or maybe they want to go with a partnership or maybe something. So that is why they have a business meeting. Right?
yeah,
So let's say now, if you are in a higher management position, so you need to introduce yourself to the other person of a
yeah,
different company, that who you are, why are you
yeah.
representing this business meeting, and what is your goal. So again, it is going to be same, that who you are. Hello, I'm David Collins, senior marketing consultant at Brand Boost. What you do, what is your present? I help companies develop data driven marketing strategies to increase their brand visibility. Past, what you did in the past. Over the past 8 years, I have worked with business in retail, healthcare, and tech. Future, I am excited to learn more about your company's goals and see how we can collaborate. So, if I have to like literally simplify, Prince, always remember how to give an introduction. First, your greeting, then your present, what you do, okay, where have you been working for, then your past, maybe in the past, what are the things that you did, so what are the skills you
Okay,
have, and then your future, okay, what you want to explore in the future, what is the opportunity
okay.
that you are looking for. Okay, yes. So why can't I go ahead?
Yeah,
Oops. Yeah. Yeah. And this is the final one. This is also you have to introduce when it is your first day at a new job. So if it is your first day at a new job, you have to introduce yourself to your colleagues, your TL, yeah, your team leader and your colleagues, right? So
Yeah.
is it too formal? Does it need to be as formal as interview?
Yeah.
No, it need not be that formal. Okay. So now can you read this one? This is your first day at a new job interview. I mean, introduction.
Yeah. Hi everyone. I am Lisa Chen. I have just joined as a project manager in the Operation Learn. I
Operation
have
team.
six operation team. I have
Hmm.
6 years of experience in supply chain management and process optimization. Before joining, I worked at Global Logistics, where
Hmm.
I led a team that improved efficiency by 20%. I
Hmm.
am really excited to collaborate with all of you and contribute to the team's success.
Yeah. So this was something that I wanted to highlight here. Everything
Yeah,
else is your experience, which we give everywhere. In every kind of introduction, you have to talk about your experience. This is
experience. Yeah,
something, yeah, this is something which is new, that when you are working with a team and it is your first day at office, that is your team, right? So you're going to
yeah.
work with them for the rest of your time in that company. So you can say, I'm really excited to collaborate with all of you and contribute to the team success. Okay, so remember this
Okay.
also. Yeah,
Yeah.
can you just say this sentence one? I'm really excited to collaborate. I want to hear that.
I'm really excited to collaborate with all of you and contribute to the team success.
Very good. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Now let's go to um,
Introduction for a career change.
have you changed your career, by the way, or else we want to do this? Have you changed your career?
Yeah, I have switched to I have started working as a business development executive. Then I switched my career into customer support executive.
Yeah, but now you have experience in customer support executive, so you introduce yourself as customer support executive,
Yeah,
right? Yeah,
yeah.
so no need for that. Okay. Yeah. And also, you are not a freelancer as well. So I'm going to
No.
skip this as well because you work as an employee. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's do the activity. This activity is called as speed networking role play. Okay. So what you have to do now, students will be divided into pairs in the sense today you have only you in the class. So I am your pair.
Okay.
And you have to introduce yourself using the correct format. What is the format that we have learned? Okay, that first you have to give your greetings, then
Okay.
present, then past, then future, and then a closing statement. While
Okay.
one student introduces, the other one, me, will listen and will ask follow up question as well. For example, if you talk about your
Okay.
career, I can ask, what inspired you to choose this career? Are you enjoying your job? What are your responsibilities? So I'm going to ask follow up questions as well, Prince. Remember that.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So let's start. Hmm. So, yeah, please give your introduction first of all, Prince, to me then.
Hello. My name is
Remember, this
Prince
is a,
Raj.
yeah,
Yeah.
remember, this is a networking event. Networking
Yeah.
event. So
Got it.
you don't
Yeah.
need to be formal. Yeah.
Okay. Hi. My name is Prince Raj, and I am from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. Currently, I am working as a customer support executive at Flipkart,
Hmm.
and my jobs and responsibilities are to resolve the queries of customer over call and chat.
Hmm.
I had more than 1 year of experience as a customer support executive.
I have not had. Okay. I have more
Oh,
than. Hmm.
okay. Yeah. And like my skills are to handle the customer in a uh, I have to listen to the customer patiently,
Hmm?
and uh, good communication handling.
Good communication skills, communication handling, wrong. Customer
No,
handling,
yeah,
it can be. Okay, it
okay,
can be customer handling.
yeah. I have good customer handling,
Hmm?
and I listen to customer in a patiently, in patiently.
Only patient.
I listen to customer patiently,
Hmm?
and I have to resolve the queries of customer. That's my
Hmm.
job role.
Okay. It isn't that confident and there was a lot of errors. Have to. You're repeating Prince have to a lot. Okay. So today, once the
Okay,
session is done, just practice a bit of your introduction using the format that I gave you. Practice it
okay, got
quite
it.
often that you are confident in it.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Now let me ask you a few follow-up questions here. Okay, so Prince, you said that you work as a customer support executive. So, what made you choose this job? What made you choose this career
Uh,
in the first place?
like first customer support. It's a good job, and I love to resolve the queries of customer. It will be, and the most important thing that the customer is from all over the India. Uh, I used to talk with different kind of people with different from different reason,
Hmm.
and that makes me feel more comfortable. And
That.
I'm a talkative kind of guy. I like to talk with people.
Hmm.
That make me to do this job.
Oh. Instead of saying talkative, you can say I'm a social guy.
Okay.
Okay, or not even guy because yeah, in networking event, guy is fine because it is a informal word. Otherwise,
Yeah.
you can say I'm a sociable person.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a sociable person, so I like talking with people. So I
Yeah.
enjoy. So I enjoy resolving customers' problem. Okay, we are
Okay.
going to learn about these phrases in our future classes as well. Don't worry. For now, you did it well.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, no
Yeah.
problem. Good. Okay. Next is now this is again we go back to the square one. So this is where we
Yeah.
started with. Do you remember the elevator pitch challenge?
Sorry, I
Elevator,
forgot.
the
Yeah,
first
yeah.
one where we,
Remember. Yeah.
yeah,
So
elevator
I have
pitch
to
where,
introduce myself within 30 seconds.
yeah,
There is a CEO in the lift,
correct,
and
correct,
I have to imagine that he is in front of me in the elevator, and
correct.
he ask me to introduce myself within 30
Mhm.
seconds. I have to do that.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now this is a task that has to be
Yeah.
done by tonight, and you
Yeah.
have to do this by recording yourself in a phone,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
it has to be exactly for 30 seconds. Okay, exactly
Okay.
30 seconds where you introduce yourself by using the phrases that you have learned and then share it on WhatsApp. Okay, we
Okay.
are going
Yeah.
to, like, I'm going to analyze you on few things. I'm going to analyze how clear you were, clarity,
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
how confident you were, and you were making mistake currently with your sentence, so I want that to be clear as well. So content mistake nahi hona chahiye, and you should
Yeah.
be confident and you should be clear.
Okay.
your
Got it.
your voice should be clear as well.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So this was your first session, but I have to do a bit of more exercise, so wait there. I'll share
Yeah.
my screen again with different thing. Where did I keep? Yeah, we keep on improving your pronunciation as well. There will be dedicated classes for improving your pronunciation, two sessions around. Now, this
Yeah.
is just for the first one. This is called
Okay.
tongue twisters. So, do you know what
Okay.
is a tongue twister is?
Yeah, I'm facing problem uh, in some vocabulary, so it will improve
Yeah.
that.
Correct, correct. Because
Yeah.
individual sounds of English can be tricky for Indian people. Okay,
Yeah.
so some people find it difficult to pronounce saw sound and shaw sound. I face it. Saw and
Yeah. Okay.
sh kind of मेरे लिए same है. Okay, so
Yeah.
kind of I am also trying to analyze ki what is the sound that you face problem with. So we are going to also keep on doing this tongue twister pronunciation improvement also. Okay, so let's
Okay.
go with the which sound today we will do. Okay, let's go with t sound today. Okay, t sound.
Okay.
Okay, so can you see this fourth one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just read it out for you once slowly so that you listen
Okay.
to the sounds of the words very carefully. Okay.
Okay.
A
Yeah.
tutor who tooted the flute tried to
Okay.
tutor two tutors to toot. Said the two to the tutor, is it harder to toot or to tutor two tutors to toot? Okay, and you have to
Okay.
say it fast so that you are getting practiced to make this sound. So a tutor who tutored the flute tried to tutor two tutors to toot. Said the two to the tutor, is it harder to toot or to tutor two tutors to toot? I know it can be hilarious sometimes. Okay,
Yeah.
try it.
Okay. A tutor who a tutor who tooted the flute tried
Hmm.
to tutor two tutors to toot. Said
Hmm.
the two to the tutor,
Hmm.
is it harder to toot or to tutor two tutors to toot?
Yeah. Go it like 4 5 times and a bit faster this time.
Okay. A tutor who tooted the flute tried to tutor two tutors to toot.
Hmm.
Said the two to the tutor, is it
Hmm.
harder to toot or to tutor two tutors to toot?
Hmm. Again.
A tutor who tooted the flute tried to tutor two tutors to toot. Said the two to the tutor, is it harder to toot or to tutor two tutors to toot?
Hmm. Okay,
A
last time.
tut yeah. A tutor who tooted the flute tried to two tutors to toot. Said the two to the tutor, is it harder to toot or or two tutors to toot?
Tutor. This is tutor. Tutor is tutor, whereas this
Or
is
two
tutors.
tutor, okay,
Yeah.
or
Okay,
two
tutor.
tutors, two tutors.
Yeah. Two tutors, two tutors. Correct.
Yeah.
Take a
Yeah.
screenshot for this. Practice it 5 times with correct pronunciation and send a voice note to me in the group. Okay, in your group,
Okay.
basically.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, take a screenshot for this one.
Yeah, done.
Done. Next, let's go to the next sound. Va sound. Usually people don't have. Yeah, saw sound is something people face. So let's try this one. Fifth one. Six slippery snails slid slowly seaward. Six slippery snails
Six.
slid. Yeah, I'm just going to say it
Yeah.
once, one more time.
Yeah, please.
Six
Yeah.
slippery snails slid slowly seaward. Ward. Seaward.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Six slippery snails slid slowly seaward.
Again.
Six. Six slippery snails slid slowly seaward. Six slippery snails slid slowly seaward. Six slippery snails slid slowly seaward.
Hmm. Last two times.
Yeah. Six slippery snails slid slowly seaward.
Hmm.
Six slippery snails slid slowly seaward.
Correct. Say it a bit faster when you do it in the recording. Okay. Six slippery snails slid slowly seaward. Six slippery snails slid slowly seaward. Six slippery
Yeah.
snails slid slowly seaward. And try to pronounce every word as correctly as possible and as
Yeah.
clear as possible also. Okay. Six
Okay.
slippery snails slid slowly seaward. Has to be that clear. Okay.
Yeah.
I hope you took screenshot of this too. Uh,
Yeah.
what?
Done.
Yeah. Done, right? Okay. Great. Yeah. So, Prince, just to review what are the things I have told you to do, you have to record a 30 seconds elevator speech, which has to be
Yeah.
clear, which has to
Yeah.
be error free. Okay. And you will
Okay.
have to look confident.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
So make sure that you are smiling, your body language is confident as well because you are recording yourself entirely. Okay.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
entirely, but until your chest. Okay, so
Yeah.
30
Okay.
seconds that, and then two tongue twisters that I have given you. Say it faster. The sound has to be clear and five times each of it.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Okay, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So this was your first session. Now I meet you tomorrow. Yeah, and also I'll be
Okay.
also give you a bit more detail. I think in the demo session also we told you that the first 30 sessions will focus in your grammar as well as
Yeah.
your vocabulary. So someday
Yeah.
it will be vocabulary lesson. This was just a basic lesson for introduction. We'll have
Yeah.
grammar lesson as well as vocabulary lesson as well as pronunciation lesson for this 30 sessions.
Okay.
And then the last 10 will be your interview session. Okay.
Okay.
Or
Yeah.
interview sessions, and there will be mock test at the end. Yes. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that was your first session. I hope you learned today. I hope you
Yeah.
enjoyed the session. And now I'll meet you tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.